friends, today we will deal with one problem which is flow through the venturimeter. Now you can see in flow through the venturimeter we have taken one problem from website, that is a venturi which is having a diameter, that is pipe diameter at upstream is 10 centimeter, at venturi 7 centimeter. Okay, then then we will going to calculate how much pressure drop. In problem they have mentioned pressure drop also, but we will going to calculate from their answer, that is velocity, that is 1.7 meter per second. Okay, that is velocity we are having. So boundary condition, we will give velocity inlet, and at outlet we will give pressure outlet, and we will see, we will try to validate the pressure drop delta P, that is PA minus PB, that should be 10 Pascal theoretically, but we will see how we can simulate it in Fluent. So before that we need to draw one drawing. So we will go for geometry creation. We will start from the basic, that is from drawing 0 0 0, and as it is having the dimension that is 10 centimeter means 100 mm. So what we will do, whatever the dimension are there, we will draw in a centimeter. Okay, so it's 0 0, so diameter I can say 5 and minus 5 on another side. First I will draw a circle. Okay, then I will extrude that circle. And minus 5. Okay, so I will get one circle out of this. I will go here and I will draw circle like this. Now in a Z direction I will extrude this point. Okay, if you look at the diagram, the first few distance near about 1 times of the diameter in straight direction. So what I will do, I will transfer this point at 10 in Z direction along the length. Okay, and I will extrude. So by sweep surface I am doing, yes, now here. Now you can see the distance of first decreasing cone. I am assuming that is 2 times of the 3 times of the diameter, and then 4 times of the diameter is another. So near about 3 times of the diameter means 30. So what I will do, again I will transfer this point to 30, Z equal to 30. Okay, and here I need to draw one circle which is having diameter of 7. So how I can draw, I will transfer this point in X direction, copy in X direction at 3.5 minus X 3.5, then Y 3.5 minus Y 3.5, so that I can draw an arc which is required for me. Okay, so then I need to draw. Then if you look at the figure, it is again the distance, the length of the venturimeter, that is again 3 times more. So what I will do, I will copy this entire circle and I will paste at 21 here. Okay, then I will go for sweep surface, this point to this point, 1 2. Okay, and at last if you look at the figure, next cone, opening cone, that is 4 times of the diameter, 4 to 5, we will take 4 times of the diameter, so that is 40. So I am copying this at 40 here, and what I will do, I will measure the distance between this point to this point. It is at 91. So I will copy this arc and its point at 91, so that I do not require to draw once again. I will copy. There is some additional portion of 2 times of the diameter, so 20 I can say. Okay, then again I will sweep surface. Yes, now I will close this surface, 1 2. Now I need to have a conical surface along this direction. What I will do, I will close this. Just a minute. So I will close this to end, and then I will draw arc 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, so that I will get a conical section. Again I will join these 2 points, upper point, lower point, and then will this way I can draw the geometry. Okay, so it is inlet and that is outlet, and middle part is venturi. So I will label it so that it will be very easy. So create part, say inlet. Yes, then go for outlet. This is outlet. Then I can say venturi, the smaller part. Yeah, and you can say it is upstream and downstream. So what I will create part, yes, in upstream pipe I can say. Just wait. Yes, stream pipe. And downstream pipe is this one. Okay, now if I can see here, it is upstream pipe, it is venturi, it is downstream. Okay, it is inlet, and another is outlet, opposite side. Next I will write about fluid point. I will select any two points in between and middle button, so it is fluid. I need to save this project. File, save as. Here venturimeter. Now I will go for, once I will save this project, I will go for meshing. So here mesh, first I will do with 1 as a global scale factor. Let's see how I can generate the mesh. Yes, now it is quite good, but I want more mesh. So for that purpose I will say global scale factor 2 and compute. Yes, replace. Yes, now it's good. Okay, not bad. What I will do next part, edit mesh, check mesh, say apply. Yes, yes, quality, then smooth mesh globally. Once you do this, go for outlet or output. Solver, your solver is Fluent V6 or Fluent straightforward in higher version. Structural solver is ANSYS. Boundary condition, here one fluid and remaining parts. Say accept. Yes, open. Here you can see venturimeter, control V, global scale factor 2, that is a mesh setting. We need to, yes, done with the translation. It means our part is over.